Seniors, let me begin with a question. What if the very food you trust to heal you, the very bulb sitting in your kitchen right now, could also put your life at risk? Garlic, one of nature's oldest and most celebrated medicines, has been praised for centuries. The Egyptians used it to build strength, the Greeks gave it to athletes, and even modern science confirms its power to protect the heart, strengthen immunity, and fight infections. But here is a truth that too few seniors know. When garlic is used the wrong way, it can turn from a healer into a silent killer. After 60, when our bodies become more sensitive, these mistakes can cause damage to the liver, dangerous thinning of the blood, unpredictable blood sugar crashes, or even deadly bacterial infections. This is not meant to scare you, but to empower you. Because knowledge is the greatest medicine. And today, on the Seniors Hub, we're going to uncover 6 garlic mistakes that can be fatal if ignored, and how you can avoid them so that garlic works for you, not against you. Why seniors must pay attention. At younger ages, the body can recover more easily from nutritional missteps. But in our senior years, every choice carries greater weight. A wrong combination of food and medication, or a small lapse in storage, can create consequences that ripple throughout the body. Garlic is powerful, but with power comes responsibility. Understanding these 6 mistakes could be the difference between turning garlic into your ally for longevity or allowing it to silently harm you. Mistake number 6, improper storage in oil. The first mistake may surprise you. Many seniors enjoy making garlic-infused oil, believing it to be a healthy, flavorful addition to meals. But here's the hidden danger. When chopped garlic is stored in oil at room temperature, it creates the perfect breeding ground for a deadly bacteria known as Clostridium botulinum. This bacteria produces botulinum toxin, one of the most lethal substances known to man. What makes it terrifying is that it's odorless and tasteless. Studies have shown that storing garlic in oil at room temperature for just 48 hours can increase toxin production by 400%. The first symptoms may seem harmless: dry mouth, blurred vision, or fatigue. But within hours, paralysis can begin spreading throughout the body, even leading to respiratory failure if untreated. Seniors are more vulnerable because the immune system is slower to fight back. The solution is simple but life-saving. Always refrigerate garlic-infused oil and use it within 1 week. Even better, roast garlic in olive oil at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes, strain it, and refrigerate immediately. This method not only eliminates bacterial risk, but also creates a richer, deeper flavor. Remember, safety first, because even the healthiest food can turn deadly when mishandled. Mistake number 5, combining garlic with diabetes medications. Millions of seniors worldwide manage diabetes with medications such as insulin or metformin. Garlic on its own can help lower blood sugar naturally, but when combined with these drugs, it can cause a dangerous double effect. Research from India found that seniors who consumed garlic supplements while taking diabetes medication experienced sudden drops in blood sugar, with some levels plunging below 50 milligrams per deciliter, a life-threatening state known as hypoglycemia. Symptoms include dizziness, confusion, seizures, and even unconsciousness. Why does this happen? Garlic contains allicin, a compound that enhances insulin sensitivity and drives glucose into cells more effectively. While beneficial in moderation, combined with medication, it can push blood sugar too low, too fast. The lesson for seniors: never add strong garlic supplements or excessive raw garlic to your diet without consulting your doctor, especially if you're managing diabetes. Garlic is medicine, and like all medicine, dosage and timing matter. Mistake number 4, overheating garlic during cooking. Garlic's healing magic lies in a compound called allicin, which forms when garlic is crushed or chopped. But here's the catch. Allicin is extremely delicate and can be destroyed by high heat. Seniors often cook garlic too early in the pan or expose it to extreme temperatures, losing the very compounds that make it so powerful. Studies show that heating garlic above 300 degrees Fahrenheit for more than 20 minutes can eliminate up to 90% of its medicinal benefits. Imagine thinking you're protecting your heart, only to be eating nothing more than flavor. The solution is simple. Let crushed garlic rest for 10 minutes before cooking. This allows allicin to fully form. Then, add it toward the end of cooking, or cook at lower temperatures to preserve its healing power. Think of it as giving garlic a chance to breathe before it goes into the pan. Mistake number 3, eating garlic on an empty stomach in excess. Some seniors believe eating raw garlic first thing in the morning is the best way to boost immunity. While raw garlic is powerful, consuming it in excess on an empty stomach can irritate the stomach lining, cause nausea, or even damage the gut microbiome over time. For seniors with sensitive digestion, ulcers, or acid reflux, this mistake can cause more harm than good. Instead of strengthening you, it can weaken your digestive system and make meals uncomfortable. The safer approach: enjoy garlic with food, especially with healthy fats like olive oil, which enhance absorption of its active compounds. Moderation is key. 2 to 3 cloves a day are more than enough to unlock garlic's benefits without harming your stomach. Mistake number 2, mixing garlic with blood-thinning medications. Here lies one of the most overlooked dangers. Garlic naturally thins the blood, reducing clot formation, a blessing for heart health. But when combined with medications like warfarin, aspirin, or other blood thinners, garlic can push your blood's viscosity to dangerously low levels. This can result in nosebleeds, internal bleeding, or excessive bleeding even from minor cuts. For seniors, whose bodies already heal more slowly, this risk can be life-threatening. The advice is clear. If you are on blood-thinning medication, speak to your doctor before significantly increasing your garlic intake or using supplements. Balance is everything, because what protects your heart in one situation can endanger it in another. Mistake number 1, ignoring allergic or neurological reactions. The most dangerous mistake of all is ignoring your body's signals. Garlic can, in rare cases, trigger allergic reactions or even neurological issues. Some seniors report dizziness, headaches, or brain fog after consuming garlic. Recent studies suggest that excessive garlic intake may, in sensitive individuals, interfere with neurotransmitters, leading to slow cognitive decline. This is rare, but seniors should never dismiss unusual symptoms. If garlic consistently causes discomfort, brain fog, or irregular reactions, your body may be warning you that something is wrong. Ignoring those signals is the most fatal mistake of all. The takeaway: garlic, a friend when respected. My dear friends, garlic is not your enemy. It is one of nature's greatest gifts. But like all gifts, it must be handled with respect. When stored safely, cooked properly, and consumed in balance, garlic protects your heart, strengthens your immunity, and supports longevity. But when misused, it can become a hidden danger. The difference between medicine and poison is often just the dose, the method, and the awareness of the person consuming it. And you, as seniors, deserve to live your golden years not in fear, but with wisdom and strength. Seniors, your health is your greatest treasure, and every wise choice adds more strength to your golden years. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced unexpected reactions after eating garlic? And what's your favorite way to prepare it? Raw, roasted, or infused in oil? Share your answers in the comments below, because your story might save another senior from making a dangerous mistake. And if today's video opened your eyes, then don't just watch and forget. Take action. Subscribe to the Seniors Hub, where every video is designed to help you live longer, stronger, and healthier. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss life-changing health wisdom. Together, let's build a community where seniors inspire seniors, where we protect one another, and where knowledge becomes the medicine that keeps us young at heart. So go ahead, comment, subscribe, and share this video with someone you love. Your one action today could be the reason someone else lives a safer, healthier tomorrow.